Good evening children. Today I am going to take exercise number 1.6 la second and third sum. First I will do third sum and then do second sum. Okay, then see here. See the third sum. Exercise number 1.6. Children, third and second sum is very important sum. So please be listen. Third sum, given the three equations are given, investigate lambda mu. It's given all the answers ma, just we have to find out the value. Investigate the values of lambda mu, the system of linear equations. How? First one, no solution, unique solution, infinitely many solution. Okay, then listen. Solution given equations are, what are the equation? 2x plus 3y plus 5z equal to 9. 7x plus 3y minus 5z equal to 8. 2x plus 3y plus lambda z equal to mu. Is it clear? From this equation, we want to find the three conditions. Then as usual model ma, how to write after equation? Matrix equation. Matrix equation is 2, 3, 5, 7, 3 minus 5, 2, 3, lambda. The coefficient of z is lambda. Here x, y, z. Then the constant value is 9, 8. The last one is mu. Now we have to write this is x, a, x, b. The next one is a augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. A is, you comment and write A and B. What is the A value? 2, 3, 5, 7, 3 minus 5, 2, 3 lambda. Then here is 9, 8 mu. Is it clear? And then we got to using elementary transformation. See, comparing this number, 2 is common. Okay, now I want to convert it to 0 here and here. So, shall I multiply by 7 in the R1, 2 in that R2? See here, R2 gives 2 times of R2 minus 7 times of, correct, 2 times of R2, okay, minus 7 times of R1. Then R2, R3 is same, so shall I minus? R3 gives R3 minus R1. Is it clear? Then take and write the first row. This is 9. Using rough column. First row, second row you want to multiply by 2. So what will come? 14, 6 minus 10, 16. Then multiply by 7 here. Minus 7, minus 14, minus 21, minus 35, minus 63. Then subtract 0, minus 15, minus 45, minus 47. When you take and write in the second row, minus 15, minus 45, minus 47. Then R3 minus R1, 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Lambda minus 5. Okay, next, mu minus 9. Any doubt pa? Is there any possibilities? Any elements or any row converted to 0? That's all my dear. You got first two elements of second row and third row 0, and then triangle size also you got the 0. Then come to here. It is in echelon form. It is in row echelon form. Okay, but therefore we'll come to our question. In this questions you want to write no solution, unique solution, infinitely many solution. No solutions you want to write here. Now you can change and write. Now you no need to write 1, 2, 3 order. No need to write children. You can apply second one or first one, third one. That is your wish. Okay, first one say no solution. No solution means how to write this. That is, shall I write? Lambda is equal to first one, no solution if lambda minus 5 equal to 0. Mu minus 9 is not equal to 0. So mu is any real number. You can take any number, substitute lambda equal mu equal to any number you can substitute. Okay, then here about is a lambda value, lambda equal to 5. Now you substitute here a bar b into here 2 3 5 9 0 minus 15 minus 45 minus 47. Okay, then here 0 lambda equal to 5. Upper 5 minus 5 is what will come? 0. Shall I give any number? Upper shall I give mu equal to 0? Take let, that is our assume. Upper what will come? 0 minus 9 minus 9. Now you will take and write rank of a bar b equal to 3. Rank of a equal to, close this one, it will come, this is the a matrix. What is the rank of this matrix? 2. The rank of a bar b is not equal to rank of a. Therefore, the given system is inconsistent and has no solution. First condition is over. The same equivalent form you have to apply second one. What is the second one? Unique solution. Unique solutions is you want to give both values. I don't want exact 0. Second one, unique solution. A unique solution, that is if lambda minus 5 not equal to 0, mu plus 9 minus 9 not equal to 0, that is lambda and mu are any real number. So you can apply any number. Shall I take lambda equal to 0 or 1, lambda equal to 1, or mu is equal to 2? That is your wish. Your wish, you can take any numbers. Now substitute a bar b. Let's substitute one. What will come here? You have to substitute here. Same number. Here lambda equal to 1 means minus 4. Mu equal to 2 means minus 7. It is 2, 3, 5, 9, 0, minus 15, minus 45, minus 47. Correct? 45 minus 47. 0, 0, minus 4, minus 7. Now I'll come to here. Rank of a bar b equal to 3. Rank of a equal to 3. So rank of a bar b equal to rank of a equal to 3. That is equal to number of unknown, or you got write n. Number of unknown. Therefore, the given system is consistent and has 3, no? So, and has a unique solution. That's all. In this, some children just you got to show. That's all. No need to find out any answer. Then come to third one. Infinitely many solution and infinite number of solution. Number of solutions. Again we got to take if lambda minus 5 equal to 0, then mu minus 9 equal to 0. What is the lambda value? 5. Mu value 9. Again we got to apply here. Same place. That is 2, 3, 5, 9. 0 minus 15 minus 45 minus 47. 0 means lambda equal to 5 means 0, 0, 0, 0. So row of a bar b equal to 2. Row of a equal to 2. So therefore row of a equal to row of a bar b equal to 2. It is less than number of unknown 3. That is number of unknown. Okay, so 2 means what is the answer? Therefore the given system is consistent and has What is this? Undergoes infinitely many solution or infinite number of solutions. That's all, children. The same model. It's very important. Some equation, given equation converted to matrix and then write augmented. From the augmented, you got to using row elementary. First element 0 of the second row, third element of 0 of the third row, and then triangle shape 0. And the next, no need to find any answer for here. We want to substitute some values of lambda and mu. If you substitute any value here, it will come three cases. Substitute here, three cases will be here. First case, no solution. Now, what is the first case? No solutions means we got to put lambda equal to 5 or mu equal to some other values. It will come just like likewise case 2 and case 3 also. Is it clear? Then go to second sum. Second sum also is very important sum. Case sum. Third sum model. Example sums also is there. Example 1.33. Case sum is given. What is the case sum? Similarly, here also it's given three cases. Just want to find out. Same model. So given. What is this? Kx minus 2y plus z equal to 1. Next, x minus 2ky plus z equal to minus 2. Then x minus 2y plus kz equal to 1. Same model you want to apply here, children. Matrix equation is k minus 2 1. Okay, next 1 minus 2k 1. Next 1 minus 2k. The next one is x, y, z. It is equal to 1 minus 2, 1. Okay, that is equal to a, x, b. Next you want to write augmented matrix. It's a bar b equal to k minus 2, 1, 1. 1 minus 2k, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2k, 1. Using row elementary transformation. Okay, children. Now comparing this first column, I want the lowest number. K. Using k, we cannot convert it to 0, these two elements. So shall I write 1 here? You can use R1 interchange here or R3 interchange here. Now I'm going to interchange R3. R1 interchange R3. That is 1 minus 2k1. You need to change the second row. Whatever is there you got right. R1, write it in the R3 row. Finish. Then as usual model. R2 gives minus of minus R1. K is there. So multiply by K. The R1. R3 gives R3 minus K times of R1. Is it clear? Then here 1 minus 2 K 1. Then using rough column, see what is this? 1 minus 2k, 1 minus 2. Here 1 minus 2 minus no, so minus plus minus k minus 1. It is 0 minus 2k plus k. First write positive and then negative. First write positive and then negative. Minus 3. Is it clear? This is our second row. 0, 2 minus 2k, 1 minus k minus 3. Go to third row. K minus 2, 1, 1. Multiply by k here. 1k minus 1k minus minus plus 2k minus k into k square minus k. Then add 0, write positive 2k minus k, 2. Here 1 minus k square, 1 minus k. Right in the third row 0, 2k minus 2, 1 minus k square, 1 minus k. Then children, next step I want to convert 0 in the triangle shape. So I want 0 here. Shall I add this to plus 2k minus 2k minus 2 plus 2. Shall I add this 2 row? R3 gives R3 minus R2. See here 1 minus 2k 1. Okay, next 0 2 minus 2k 1 minus k minus 3. See, I'm using rough column except 0 write down here. 2k minus 2 1 minus k square 1 minus k. Here different I know, better add this. So 2 minus 2k 1 minus k minus 3. See, minus 2k plus 2k 0, this is 0. So here add the number 1 plus 1 2, then write k and then write k square. Here 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus k. This is answer 0 2 minus k square. This when you are subtracting, it will come, when adding this two row, it will come this answer 0 0 2 minus k square minus 2 minus k. Is it clear? Then small factorize your children. 2 minus k square, that is minus k square minus k plus 2. Now multiply by this 2 minus 2 minus 1. Shall I 2 into 1 minus? Shall I divide by minus k? So minus k minus cancel. How to write this? K plus 2. Write down here. Shall I write 1 minus k? Using here. That is 1 minus 2 k 1. Second row 0 2 minus 2k 1 minus k minus 3. Third row 0 0. Little bit simplify for this, it will come k plus 2 1 minus k. Thank you. Minus 2 minus k. Is there any possibilities, any elements, any rows or 0? No, therefore it is in row echelon form. Is it clear? Now using this one, you got to apply 3 cases. Okay, shall I use here? What is the first case? No solution. I want the no solution means, shall I take 1 minus k is not equal to 0? See, first case number 1. No solution if 1 minus k is equal to 0. But k plus 2 is not equal to 0. Okay, so k is equal to 1. So a bar b, apply wherever k you got to substitute using your 1 minus 2, the k value is 1. So 1, it will come out. So 1, I'm taking right here. What is this? 1 minus 2 k 1. Second row 0 2 minus 2k 1 minus k minus 3 0 0 k plus 2 1 minus k minus 2 minus k. Okay, substitute k here. K equal to 1 minus 2 1 1 here. 0 1 means 0 1 means 0 minus 3 here. 0, what it is, 0 and this is 1, it will come 3, this is 0 0 and 3 0, 1 means minus 3. Now you tell me what is the rank of a bar b equal to 3. Rank of a is, it's closed, it will come this one 1. But therefore row of a is not equal to row of a bar b. Therefore the given system is inconsistent. Okay, and has no solution. Okay ma, then go to second one. Second one is unique solution. Unique means the rank, it will come same, that is 3 3 I need. So how to write this? The second one is, shall write if 1 minus k is not equal to 0, k plus 2 is not equal to 0. 1 minus k not equal to 0, k plus 2 not equal to 0. what is k is any real number. So you can apply any number, any real number. We shall take k is equal to 0. K equal to 0 shall I give? Okay, substitute here. A b 1 minus 2 0 1. The next 0 k equal to 0 means, but that is 2 1 minus k 1 minus 3 0 0 0 means 2, it's 1 upper 2, here is a minus 2. Then rank of a bar b equal to 3, rank of a equal to 3. That is row of a equal to row of a bar b equal to 3. That is equal to number of unknown. Therefore, the given system is consistent and has a unique solution. Is it clear, children? Then come to last case. Case 3, infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. Okay, if what is this 1 minus k 2 we want to write 0 this row fully, no, so better it is not equal to 0, correct? But shall I give k equal to k plus 2 equal to 0? What is k equal to minus 2? Apply here. What will come? A bar b. So 1 minus 2, 2 is there, minus 2, no? So minus 2, 1. Then here 0, minus 2 means it will come plus 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 minus 2 plus 2, it's a 3. Then minus 3. 0, 0, minus 2 na 0, 0 into any number 0. Minus 2 na plus 2 minus 2 is 0. That is rank of a bar b equal to 2. Rank of a equal to 2. That is rank of a equal to rank of a bar b, augmented matrix equal to 2. That is less than number of unknowns. Okay, therefore the given system is consistent. 2 means consistent and has infinitely many solution. Is it clear, children? I'll give one creative question. Just try yourself. Creative question. Kx y z equal to 1. X plus ky plus z equal to 1. X plus y plus kz equal to 1. Try it, children. The same one. Investigate. Find. Here I'm right. Find the value of k for which the equations, I'm putting bracket, have number 1 no solution, number 2 unique solution, number 3 infinitely many solution. It's one creative question. Just try yourself. If you any doubt, you'll ask me. Again, explain. It's a very important. Some children, it's a lambda museum. Like same model, how to do row elementary transformation method. Like you have to do. After final statement will come lambda and mu. In this lambda and mu, we got to give the some values. If you apply the value, it will come from a rank of A matrix as well as rank of augmented matrix. Then we got to comparing this row of rank of the matrix, it will come 3 means consistent unique solution, 2 means consistent infinitely many solution, different rank means inconsistent no solution. Likewise we got to apply the third sum, like same third sum model, example number 1.33 and as well as 1.332 also. Children, just you got to try this example number 3334, same model, example number 1.34 in this sum, same model. Then come to k sum also like same model, lambda and mu model applied here, but you see comparing the first number is k means some difficulty, that's only I'm going to interchange the row 3. You can use row 1 also, that is your wish. I'm going to interchange row 1 and row 3. Again we got to apply triangle shape 0. After triangle shape 0, the final one 2 minus k square, we got to factorize and come to no need to minus common here. If it is take out minus common means the sum will come wrong, so no need to change any symbol here. Whatever is there you got to apply and then use factor method. It will come them 2 factors, in this 2 factors right here, and then you got to apply k, put some values of k value. It will come rank of augmented matrix and rank of a value. Comparing this to rank value, if it is equal or equal to 3 means consistent unique, 2 means consistent infinitely many solution, different rank means inconsistent no solutions. Very important question, children. And then I'll given one creative questions also, just try it yourself, and then if you have any doubt just make a call me. Thank you, children.